now, PBA fans, nasa ng Meralco Nation? This is a team that joined the PBA back in 2010. Mahigit isang dekada na naghahabol ng isang kampyonato. Umabot sa finals 4 times before. Nabigo pero hindi sumuko. Pumasok ulit sa finals and they said, mula game 1, believe. They believed, and now, your Philippine Cup champions, the Meralco